Did you know that if you had invested just £1,000 in Amazon back in 2000, it would be worth over £1 million today? That is the power of smart investing. But the big question is, what are the next big winners for 2025? In this video, we'll break down the best high growth and dividend stocks that could skyrocket your portfolio this year. So let's dive in. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for investors. We're seeing massive shifts in technology, AI, renewable energy, and digital finance. This is opening up new opportunities for explosive growth. Interest rates are expected to stabilise, the economy is evolving, and some stocks are perfectly positioned to take advantage of these changes. Whether you're looking for stocks with massive upside potential or stable dividend payers for passive income, this list has something for you. Plus, we'll break down price predictions, potential risks, and expert insights. So make sure you stick around until the end. First on the list is NVIDIA, a company that has already delivered massive gains but still has plenty of room to grow. Here's why this stock remains one of the best plays for 2025. NVIDIA is at the heart of the AI boom. Its GPUs power AI models like ChatGPT, and with AI infrastructure spending expected to double by 2030, the demand for NVIDIA's chips is set to skyrocket. In 2024, NVIDIA reported record-breaking earnings, with data center sales increasing by over 50% year over year. Analysts predict the stock could see another 30 to 40% upside as AI adoption continues to expand. Looking at past performance, NVIDIA was trading at just £30 per share in 2016. By 2024, it had surged past £500. If you had invested just £1,000 back then, you'd have over £16,000 today. Of course, no stock is without risks. While some investors believe NVIDIA could hit £1,000 per share, competition from AMD and Intel, along with potential overvaluation concerns, could slow its momentum. Bottom line, if you believe in the future of AI, NVIDIA is a stock you'll want to keep a close eye on. Now let's switch gears and talk about a stock that provides stable, reliable, passive income. Johnson & Johnson. J&J has increased its dividend for over 60 consecutive years, making it a true dividend aristocrat. Its business model is recession-proof, with a diverse portfolio in pharmaceuticals and consumer health products that keep its revenue steady. Right now, J&J offers a dividend yield of around 3%, making it a great option for investors looking for steady cash flow. If you had invested £10,000 in J&J 10 years ago, your dividend payouts alone would have earned you over $5,000 in passive income. The aging population trend supports further growth, but there are some risks, such as patent expirations and lawsuits related to product recalls. Bottom line, if you want a stock that pays you while you sleep, Johnson & Johnson is one of the safest choices in 2025. Now let's talk about an underrated stock with huge upside potential, SoFi Technologies. SoFi is a leader in digital banking, offering zero-fee trading, crypto investments, and student loan refinancing. It's aggressively gaining market share, and recent earnings showed record user growth. Despite its strong fundamentals, the stock is currently trading at just a fraction of its long-term potential. Experts suggest SoFi could hit £25 per share by 2026, which would nearly double its current value. Of course there are risks, like with everything. While SoFi is disrupting traditional banking, it faces regulatory challenges that could slow growth. Bottom line, if you're looking for a high growth stock flying under the radar, SoFi is a strong long-term play. If you're interested in international opportunities, Mercado Libre is a powerhouse in e-commerce and fintech across Latin America. Mercado Libre is the largest e-commerce and digital payments company in the region, with a dominant presence in Brazil, Argentina, and Mexico. In 2024, its revenue surged over 40% year over year, fueled by the growing shift toward online shopping and digital banking. In fintech arm, Mercado Pago is becoming a major player in Latin American finance, challenging traditional banks. If you had invested in Mercado Libre back in 2010, your returns today would be over 3,000%. Of course, like any of these stocks, there are risks. Inflation and currency fluctuations in Latin America could impact profitability, but long-term growth remains strong. Bottom line, if you believe in emerging markets and digital finance, Mercado Libre is a top-tier investment. For those of you that are looking for a high-risk, high-reward opportunity, Rocket Lab is a stock worth considering. Rocket Lab is the second largest private rocket company after SpaceX. Specializing in small satellite launches, it has major contracts with NASA, the US Department of Defense, and telecom firms for satellite deployments. The company is also working on its next generation Neutron rocket, which could compete with SpaceX's Falcon 9 for cost-effective space travel. Some analysts predict Rocket Lab could 5 times in value over the next decade if satellite demand and space commercialization continue to grow. However, competition from SpaceX and the high cost of space technology pose risks. So bottom line, if you're willing to take on volatility for the potential of exponential gains, Rocket Lab is a stock to watch. Last but not least, let's talk about UiPath, a company revolutionizing automation and robotics with AI-powered software. UiPath specializes in robotic processes automation, helping businesses automate repetitive tasks. The automation industry is expected to grow from £15 billion today to over £50 billion by 2030. Major corporations like Google and Amazon are integrating UiPath technology to cut costs and boost efficiency. UiPath stock has dropped significantly since its IPO, making it a potential bargain if AI automation demand continues to rise. While it faces competition from Microsoft and open source tools, its strong enterprise adoption makes it a compelling investment. Bottom line, if you're looking for an AI stock beyond the usual big tech names, UiPath is a strong long-term growth opportunity. However, please do your research and consider all the risks. As a bonus pick, we have Palantir, a company specializing in AI-driven big data analytics for governments and businesses. With AI adoption on the rise, Palantir's role in cybersecurity and data intelligence makes it a potential multi-bagger stock. Over the past year, Palantir has already doubled in value, and analysts predict another 50% gain in 2025. Stocks for 2025. Which stock are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights every day. Bonus tip, if you're looking to start investing, check out the links in the description for free stock bonuses from Webull and Robinhood. See you in the next one.